If Photopea is showing a cookie error or not saving your preferences, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing normally. Photopea relies on cookies and a local storage for consent settings, logins, and some session-based features, so when your browser blocks those things, the site can act like it's broken even when it's actually just being restricted by your browser or privacy tools. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy guides. Let's get into it. The first thing to check is whether your browser is blocking third-party cookies for Photopea. This is one of the most common reasons for cookie-related errors. Open Photopea in your browser, then look at the address bar and click the lock icon or the tune icon next to photopea.com. From the menu, choose Site Settings, or in some browsers you may see Cookies and Site Data. Once you're in the settings, make sure cookies are allowed. If cookies are blocked, switch them to Allow. This lets Photopea store the information it needs to keep your session and preferences working correctly. After that, go back to Photopea and refresh the page. In many cases, that alone fixes the error because the site can now save cookie data properly. If the problem still continues, the next thing to try is resetting your GDPR or add consent preferences. Sometimes, if you clicked Reject All on the initial privacy pop-up, Photopea may keep that setting stored and limit access or create a weird loading issue. To clear that, click the lock icon again in the address bar and open Cookies and Site Data. Then choose Manage Cookies and Site Data. Find photopea.com in the list and click the trash icon next to it to remove the stored consent choices. This clears the save preference so Photopea can show the consent banner again. Now, refresh the page. When the pop-up appears again, this time click Accept All. This gives Photopea a clean reset on its stored consent settings, and it often resolves the cookie error immediately. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to check is your privacy extensions. Extensions like DuckDuckGo, Privacy Essentials, uBlock Origin, or Brave Shields can block cookie headers, strip scripts, or interfere with local storage. Even when those tools are helpful for privacy, they can accidentally break websites that depend on cookies to function. Click your extension icon in the top toolbar, then either pause protection for the current site or add photopea.com to the whitelist. In some browsers, you may also need to temporarily disable shields or tracking protection for the tab. After that, reload the page and test Photopea again. If it suddenly starts working, then you've confirmed that one of your privacy tools was the cause. Now here's another important tip. Avoid using Incognito or private browsing windows for features that rely on saved sessions. Incognito mode is useful for testing because it helps you rule out some browser extensions, but it also automatically blocks or resets certain storage behaviors. That means third-party cookies may be disabled and local storage may disappear when you close the tab. So if you're trying to sign in, use pDrive or keep your settings saved between sessions, use a normal browser window instead of Incognito. That way Photopea can retain the data it needs and won't constantly lose your preferences. If you were testing in Incognito and the problem showed up there, try the same steps in a standard window before assuming the site itself is broken. To quickly recap, first allow cookies for Photopea in your browser settings, then reset the site's stored consent choices if you previously rejected them. After that, whitelist Photopea in any privacy extension that might be blocking cookies. And finally, use a regular browser window for any session-based features that need persistent storage. If this video helped you fix the Photopea cookie error, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. And if you want, I can also show you how to fix common Photopea issues like export errors, brush lag, or upload problems in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.